That's supposed to be your voicemail.
Oh, voicemail.
Hey!
And call. Oh, hey, voicemail, what's going on?
Here we go. Funny. Oh, nothing, girlfriend.
Here's your voicemail, girl. Alright.
Ah, crap.
Oh, crap. I was just like,
What?
see you guys in.
Okay, okay.
It's like, it takes so much.
Oh God! Okay. Takes a lot of heart to eat. What? Takes a lot of heart to eat this crap. Takes a lot of heart to eat. What?
that bite wasn't even necessary.
You gotta.
You're a champion.
I'm selling.
You're going to town on that, bro.
It says go to town. I think it says eat lots of crap. How do you make it? Most workout I've had in like 3 years.
Come here.
All right, I just sucked a lot up in my nose. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Now you can't see, so it's probably gonna hit you.
Yeah.
Alright, Rose Rice. Alright.
3. Nah, I'm kidding.
Don't cut that.
Good one. Trump.
It's my
She's sleeping peacefully.
I'm so happy for her.
Are you okay?
It's just a nightmare. Where's mom?
Yeah, she's still working the corner. I'm gonna point.
Okay.
Sleeping peacefully.
Over
No
there.
way, pointing.
3, 2, 1, go.
She's sleeping. I'm sorry, I don't even know how to do it.
Alright, ready?
She's sleeping peacefully. Sorry guys, this is embarrassing, I apologize.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, I got Tourette's, I don't know where she's at. She won't play with me, I can punch her all night. Alright. She's in the ICU.
She's in her cage.
Okay, good night.
She's with Sloth down in the basement. Do I still have blood on my nose? Yeah, it's a
Just the occasional nosebleed. What
Yeah.
happened to your nose? Oh, I punched myself.
I have blood thinner aspirin.
The Tourette's.
Yeah, it's Tourette. Yeah. She's sleeping peacefully. I almost got.
I'm Bruno.